Hey, I'm Sharon. I'm here in the Prima booth, and I want to show you some of our Finnabair and ReDesign products mixed together. So we have new molds by Finnabair. They're silicone. They can handle high heat. And we're going to take some of our ReDesign modeling material. This is brand new. It's a really pliable clay. It is gorgeous. It's easy to work with. It's a light color, which I really like. So you just press your clay into the mold, scrape off the excess, and you can use a card, you can use a palette knife. I just use my finger. You want to clean up your edges, of course, so that you don't have a lot hanging over those edges, so you get a nice clean design. And once you press that in, seriously, it's flexible. You just pop that out. I just use my finger and get rid of those little extra pieces, and then let it air dry. So here we go. We have a couple already air dried. These are with clay, but with the molds, you can use a variety of products in those. One of my favorites is hot glue, but you can use resin and so many different products. Anything you can press in or pour in and sets up, it will work. Now, once they're created and they're dried, you want to color them, and that's where the fun part comes in. You can use any of Prima's art mediums to color these, and I have a bunch of examples to show you. So let's try her new waxes. These are Finnabair's brand new waxes, and this is beautiful. You don't need a lot. I'm just going to take a stencil brush and grab a little bit off of the cover here, and you can use a brush, you can use your finger. You're just going to get a gorgeous metallic finish with coverage. You decide how you want it to look. One of my favorite things to do is to pair two different waxes together. I'll use one to kind of cover the whole piece, and then I'll pick a contrasting color. Let's do this one. And this time I'm going to use my finger and just catch the ridges. Look at that, beautiful. This must be peacock. So I have it on my finger, it warms it up, and I'm just going to catch those little details that are so important, and it gives a lot of dimension and, well, more color and more beauty to that. And look at that. I mean, this was done in 5 seconds. You will do a much better job than me. Another option outside of the waxes, you can use metallic paints, you can use sparks. And I want to show you this one. These are used with Finnabair's brand new liquid acrylics. They're really intense paints, and they come in a bottle, just like that. So we're going to take one and we're going to paint it so you can see the color just come alive. Let me grab a couple here. Sorry. Let's do another flower. And I think we're going to grab the purple. So just use a regular paintbrush for this. Get this set up here. And again, you can use anything you want to color these. So you mold them and then paint them, and no one will know it was hot glue or it was clay, because you're going to add this gorgeous color on top. Now, I barely dip my brush in here. Look at all of that color. So these are the liquid acrylics, and they're perfect for layering with Finn's other products. But again, you can use them on clay, you can use them on hot glue, you can add water to them and dilute them a little bit. All right. I'm not doing a perfect job, but you get the idea. And so the liquid acrylics are really intense. The waxes are very shimmery and shiny. So depending on the look you want, you pick the products you like from Finnabair and Prima, and then color your molded pieces. Honestly, it's one of my favorite things to do, to make these embellishments for just pennies a piece. All these products will be available at Scrapbook.com, so check them out.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.